In this video, we are going to start a print on the Virtual Foundry Metal 3D printer. Start by plugging in the flash drive or SD card with your G-code file on it. The ports for this are on the right side of the display. Tap the print button on the screen. The options that you will have are TFT, SD, and USB disk. Select the one that you have inserted into the printer. Tap the file that you would like to print. A pop-up will come up and ask if the selected file is correct. Tap OK, and the printer will start to heat up and begin printing. You have many points of adjustment available while printing. You can access these adjustments if you tap the More button, then tap the setting you would like to adjust. Each setting will take a few seconds to change while the print is going. You should not change them while the printer is heating up because everything should reset as it starts, and some settings are unavailable during heating. Alternatively, most of the settings can be accessed from the main menu that comes up when you start a print. If you tap on the hot end or bed temperature, you will be able to change it. Same with the fan, which has shortcut buttons for 0, 50, and 100% speed. Then there is one button that changes between speed and flow. All of these settings can be useful during your first few prints to adjust the settings as it is printing and changing them in your slicer later. The pause button will pause the printing process and move the extruder to the front left of the printer. The motors stay energized for about a minute or so that you can switch out your spool of filament and resume the print. Just in case you accidentally press the cancel button, a warning pops up for you to confirm your selection. Happy printing!